you doing? Welcome to another episode of Graybeard Productions. Graybeard's a freaking moron. My co-host, Reagan Rose. Boys, I ordered up a water pump for the Chevy for my 6-liter, and I got it from Rock Auto, and this is what they sent me. Right? I've never done an unboxing video, so I figure, hey, you know. So we'll see if this is actually a water pump because it seems freaking huge. Holy shit, look at this. I got earthenware, recycled film, friggin' things that go. Oh, I won't make the baby cry. But it's got like dirty intestines into it. And they pack the shit out of it. Dude. Alright. Box number 2.
What do you think, Bray?
Holy crap.
Ow. Caught my finger in the goddamn thing. That was awesome.
So, they sent me a water pump. This is... Apparently I have a really large engine. But yeah, that's the water pump. The brand new little cockery gaskets. Apparently this is what's actually wrong with my water pump. Is these gaskets are plastic and they go to shit. Probably made out of like Zytel or some other crap. And they start leaking. So we have new metal ones. Made of the metals. And hopefully the freaking thermostat fits because there's 2 sizes, and you know I just kind of picked cheaper one. But what's another video of us actually doing this shit and building the thing? What do you think? Did it pass your inspection, Jethro? You get all the good Chinese smell off of it? The freaking Chinese water pump. Alright boys, thanks for watching.